Hello YouTube, today I want to show you how to repair a hole in a tube, bike tube. A hole right here. And I want to show you the patches. These are the patches. You get different sizes. Usually most pinholes you can use a smaller patch and that'll be sufficient. You want to take that clear cellophane off. You want to peel that off. Your patch. It's a tricky thing. It's a necessary thing. Leave the backing on it. Next thing you want to do is take your scraper and rough up the area. Go one way, then you go the other way, opposite way. Always a little bit bigger than what your patch is going to be. Then I go diagonally. So it's good and scratched up. Take a dry cloth or rag and wipe off the dust. Take the glue, spread it out thinly, start right at the hole and go out from it. Not too much, just very, very little. You don't need a lot of glue. Takes a few minutes to dry. Put that down. And I take a cap and roll it. The edges need to go down. Get glued right down for best results. And there you have it. Give it a few more minutes to seat, and you can reinstall it onto your bike. And for the trail use, for these holes to happen on the trail, I usually carry a brand new spare tube with me, and I put the new tube on the bike. I use it and bring the old tube home with a hole in it and repair it when I get home. This is what I do. Yes, this is a tube right now that I'm currently using. It has 8 repairs on it, and I just fixed one this morning. So yes, you can save yourself a lot of money by not buying a new tube each time you get a hole in your tire. You just go ahead and fix the hole. And this is proof of it right here. It's holding air nicely right now. I'm going to continue to use it. And you will always want to carry a patch kit with you on the rides, for sure. You want to carry a spare brand new tube with you. That's a good idea. Yeah, this patch kit only cost about €1 for us, and not that expensive. And this tube right here has 8 holes in it that are all repaired, and I just fixed one hole from yesterday, and it's still holding air. No problem. I'm going to put it back on and continue to use it. So I save about €5 or €6 on each tube that you would have had to buy if you didn't do that. For watching. If you like this video, Please subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comments below. Abundance, health, and prosperity to you all. Thanks. Bye.